Welcome to Ollie at Pitt's Guide to Using Zoom for your iPhone. First, locate and open the email that contains the link to your class. In the email, find the link that says Join Zoom Meeting and tap it. This will automatically open the Zoom app on your device. When Zoom opens, you will be given a preview of what your camera will show. You can choose to join with your video showing, or you can join without it. Tap the option that you would prefer. Next, you will need to join the audio so that you can hear your instructor and that they can hear you. Tap Call using internet audio for the easiest option. Tap once to make the controls appear. To mute yourself, tap the microphone icon in the lower left corner of the screen. A red line will appear through the microphone when you've successfully muted yourself. To turn your camera on, you can tap the Start Video button next to the Mute button. Notice that when you do this, an image will appear in the top right corner of your screen showing what your camera is showing to the class. If you wish to turn your camera back off, tap the same button again that says Stop Video. To raise your hand virtually or to see a list of participants in the class, tap the participants icon in the lower right of the screen. On the participants screen at the top, you will see a list of people in the class. At the bottom of the screen, you will see controls such as raise hand, yes, and no. In order to raise your hand, tap the raise hand icon in the lower left corner of the screen. This will make a blue hand appear next to your name in the list above. When your question has been answered, you can tap the same icon in the lower left corner of the screen to lower your hand. To exit the participant screen, tap Close in the top left corner. To access the chat on your iPhone, you must tap More in the lower right corner of the screen. A menu will appear, and chat will be one of the options available. When you tap Chat, this will open the chat screen on your phone. Tap in the box at the bottom of the screen to start typing your message. Notice there is a to line above the text box. This indicates who the message is going to. This message was sent to everyone. You can change the recipient by tapping the arrow next to where it says Everyone and selecting an individual. Notice now that this message is going to an individual. Above, you will see the word privately in red letters next to any messages that have gone to an individual person. Tap close in the top left corner to exit chat. You can make your own image, the large image in the center of the screen, by tapping the image in the top right corner. This will switch the professor to be the smaller image. To switch back, tap in the right corner again. To leave the meeting, tap the red Leave button in the top right corner of the screen. Thank you for watching our guide to using Zoom on iPhone.